An expiration term of your office lease is approaching in 2 to 3 years. But you and your team are rather busy with the main concern, your core business. Most leases have deadlines of 3 or 6 years, but you don't have an in-house property manager who has sufficient knowledge of the office market. There are many real estate advisors. So who to choose to accompany you? Well, let's look at your options. Most real estate brokers wear two hats. They are on the one hand hired by the building's owners to commercialize and manage the buildings, but at the same time they represent the tenants. As a tenant, why would you hire a representative who also defends the interests of building owners? What interests is your advisor really motivated to defend? Those of a tenant he meets once every 5 to 6 years, or rather those of an owner with whom he has permanent business relations and recurrent remuneration? Another question, would you hire a lawyer who represents at the same time the other side of the table? This is why this concept of dual representation is illegal in other sectors. This puts your advisor in a conflict of interest, resulting in a bad financial balance for you as tenant. At Business Space, we only represent tenants, never owners. This conflict is avoided 100%. The interests of our customers are always our highest priority. Business Space.